Hi friends, I'm going to give you an unboxing and review of this Kensington Mouse for Life mouse. As you can see on the picture, they said it supports Windows, Mac OS and Chrome OS, but I also tested on Linux. It worked well. Now I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So here's the box. It's a brand new, it's sealed here. So I'm going to open it now. Once you're done, you can just slide this and it should come up, and then you can open it like this, and then if you open this thing, the mouse, here's the mouse, and here's the dongle that will connect with your laptop or desktop. It comes with the battery and some manuals and paperwork. Now I'm going to take the plastic off, and that's pretty much it, all you get from the box or inside the box. This is a very decent mouse. The size of my hand palm is 18 centimeter, and as you can see, it holds very well. I can literally use it, and from my experience, I can say it's a very good mouse, very solid. It's very long mouse. It's a very good mouse. Also, it comes with a 5 years warranty. This is the last look. Sorry for that. And that's for